Hi, I'm Molly and welcome to art class. Today we are going to create a faux stained glass design using water-based paint and black glue. Let's get going. For this project you will need white watercolor paper 8.5 by 11 inches, white liquid glue, black acrylic paint, a water-based paint like watercolor, acrylic, or tempera, a soft bristled paintbrush, a pencil, a paper towel, and water in a cup. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Molly.
I'm Olivia.
And today we're going to show you how to make a faux stained glass window design using black glue and a water-based paint. So now that you've gathered the materials, let's get started. First, we're going to draw a drawing of our design in pencil. And we want each shape to be no smaller than the palm of your hand because it's really hard to take that black glue and trace lots of tiny little shapes. So I'm going to make some flower petals here. So go around my flower. Olivia's doing a different design. Okay. But now I don't want my flower just floating in space. I want to attach each petal to the side of the paper. Almost the same way you would in stained glass, because every piece has to be connected to the frame somehow. And there can't be any openings. So I'm going to go around and make sure there's no openings. Okay, now we're ready for step number 2. We're going to apply the black glue. And how I made this black glue was I poured out half the bottle of glue and put in half black acrylic paint. And then you have to shake it up and test it until you see black glue coming out. So it may not be perfect, but we tried our best. And when it dries, you're going to see that black or dark edge. So begin tracing. Okay, now that you've let that dry, and usually it takes a good 24 hours for this glue to dry, you are ready to use some water-based paint to paint your faux stained glass window. And so you can use an acrylic because that is water-based, or a tempera because that is water-based, and those typically create the brightest colors. But if you just have watercolor paints, the cake kind, that is totally fine to use. So there's lots of different ways you can paint your stained glass window using water-based paints. So now Olivia is going to use some acrylics that we had in tubes, and she has a small soft bristled brush. She's gonna mix her paints with a good amount of water, and really it just takes a really wet brush. She can do that way, and just a little bit of paint and a really wet brush is gonna give her some really bright colors. So go for it, Livy. Okay, we hope you enjoyed creating your faux stained glass design with us today. As you can see, you probably saw that when you painted that this glue resisted your water-based paint. So it made for a really strong high contrast border. And you can see how it looks like there's light shining through because different areas are darker or more opaque and other areas look a lot more transparent and allow that white paper to come through. And so it looks like light is actually coming through. This is another one we did, and this we just used watercolor paints. And this one we used those acrylic watered down paints. So thank you so much for joining us today. Keep creating.
Keep making art.
And we'll see you next time.
Hey.